Assalamu alaikum, dear friends and colleagues. In this video, I will show you how to use the remote control for the Lennox air conditioner. This remote is used in some models of Gree, Train, General Electric, York, Comfort-Aire, Kenmore, Senville, and Pioneer brands air conditioner. To see if the remote is working, point it at a camera and press the on-off button a few times. If an infrared light invisible to the human eye flashes on the screen, then the remote is working. This is the air conditioner's on-off button. With itself, we can turn the air conditioner on and off. To change the mode of the air conditioner, we use the operation mode button. The air conditioner has 5 modes: cooling, drying, fan, heating, and auto. Since the vast majority of the users use the cooling mode, we are starting with the explanation of this mode. We press the mode button several times, and when the snowflake icon appears on the screen, the air conditioner enters cooling mode. In this mode, it is recommended to set the air conditioner temperature to 22 to 24 degrees Celsius or to 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. If you want your air conditioner to consume less energy, then keep the temperature between 24 to 26 degrees Celsius, 75 to 79 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the fan button of the air conditioner, and with itself we can change the fan speed of the unit. This air conditioner has 4 speeds: low, medium, high, and auto. To prevent the fan noise from disturbing you in the bedroom, low fan speed can be selected. To move the air conditioner louvers up and down or to stop them in any position, the swing button is used. We press the mode button and a water drop icon appears on the screen. This is the dry mode. It is used to reduce the humidity in the house. We press the mode button again and the fan icon appears on the screen. This is the fan mode, and in this mode the air conditioner will work like a regular fan. We press the mode button again and the sun symbol appears on the screen. This is the heating mode of the air conditioner. In this mode, we set the air conditioner temperature above 26 degrees Celsius, 79 degrees Fahrenheit. Setting the fan speed to auto fan speed in heating mode allows the air conditioner to work more efficiently. At the same time, the icing of the outdoor unit will only occur when the air temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius. To switch to this mode, we press the fan button several times, and when the wall auto appears on the screen, the fan switches to this mode. We press the mode button again. This is auto mode. In this mode, the air conditioner tries to keep the temperature in the house constantly around 24 degrees Celsius, 75 degrees Fahrenheit. If the temperature is below this indicator, the air conditioner will work in heating mode, and If it is higher, it will work in cooling mode. By pressing the mode button one more, we return to cooling mode. Now I will show you how to use the other buttons. Sometimes, when we lie down in bed, we set the temperature to 21 to 22 degrees Celsius, to 70 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Sleeping in a room with such a temperature can sometimes cause a cold. To prevent this, it is recommended to use the sleep mode. When the sleep button is pressed, a crescent moon and star symbol appears on the screen. Each time the button is pressed, the number 1, 2, 3 appears next to the crescent. These numbers mean that the air conditioner will raise the temperature by 1 degree after 1, 2, or 3 hours. For example, when that number is 3, the air conditioner will rise the temperature by 1 degree after 3 hours and again by 1 degree after another hour. Therefore, this mode creates an opportunity for a comfortable sleep. To exit this mode, you need to press the same button again. Use this button to raise the air conditioner temperature and this button to lower it. Now we will explain the timer mode. This air conditioner has two timer modes, timer on and timer off. Timer on mode is intended to start the air conditioner at a desired time, and timer off is for turning it off. For example, we leave the house at 8 a.m. and turn off the air conditioner. We plan to return home at 8 p.m. We set the air conditioner's timer to 11 hours. And press the set button to confirm. At 7 p.m. our air conditioner will start and cool our house until we return. To exit this mode, it is sufficient to simply press cancel button. Or if we want the air conditioner to turn off after 5 hours while it's running, then we press the timer off button and set it to 5 hours and press set to confirm. Our air conditioner will turn off after working for 5 hours. To exit this mode, it is sufficient to press the cancel button. Thank you for watching us until the end.